For just $152,000, I got 2 main courses, a oxtail meal, and also a jerk chicken meal, served with baked mac and cheese, gungo peas, avocado or pear. We also got some fried ripe plantains and a Corona beer and a Coca-Cola. If you are planning your next trip to Medellin, Colombia, and you want some authentic Jamaican food, or you are Jamaican living in Colombia, you have to check out this restaurant. It is a Maikita, and this is the location. So out of nowhere, my spouse said I want Jamaican food in Colombia. I don't know where I was going to get that, but we went on Google and we found this Jamaican restaurant and we wanted to give it a try. Now let's talk about the food. The presentation was a 10 out of 10. The oxtail was a 10 out of 10. My spouse ordered the oxtail, and guys, I take over the man plate completely and dive right in at that. It was so succulent. The jerk chicken was so tender. Everything was just so good. The ambience was great. The environment was safe, a safe location. The staff, they were so friendly. Money big up on yourself. So this place is a must try.